Can you say mama? Peter, say mama for me. Say mama. No, you have to say mama. I'm gonna tickle you. I'm gonna tickle you. I'm gonna tickle you. I'm gonna tickle you up. Tickle you up. Tickle you up. I know. But say mama. Say mama. Say mama. Peter. Come on, say mama. I'm gonna tickle you. Tickle, 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 tickle. Well, guess we're just gonna have to settle for a kiss. Yeah? Did you like that kiss, Peter? Was it a good kiss? Was it a good kiss? Yeah, a little bit.